Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. My name is Ryan. I'm currently renovating the corner apartment at my friend's convent here in France. My friend has a YouTube channel called The Pethricks. Shout out to him. And I think he's going to be helping me today because we made a huge mess yesterday in the corner apartment renovation project that we need to tidy up. So we're going to do that this morning, and then we're going to have a little chat, you and I, about the new open plan space, because there's plenty to do still. The work is forever continuing. So let's go to the apartment. By the way, I'm just at my office window right now on the other side of the convent. And for anyone who doesn't know where the corner apartment renovation project is, it's there in the corner, hence the name. That van is ready to go to the tip or the dump or whatever you call it, wherever you're from. We're taking it and it's leaving the convent. Full of my stuff mostly. Billy's going to tag along, so's the cameraman, and it'll probably be on the Pethricks YouTube channel. Shameless plug for the Pethricks. And then we're going to come back and we're going to have a look and assess the situation in the corner apartment renovation project and see what's going to happen next. Very exciting. See you in a little bit. Well, that was a pretty fun trip to the tip. There are a few things that I forgot to take, like the rest of the rubble that I swept up, because I am indeed an idiot. But hey ho, there's going to be plenty more trips to the tip anyways, there's no big deal. Let's have a little tour, a little progress report of the apartment. It's looking good. So the apartment is looking completely different from when we first started. Obviously the wall is now gone. That is looking great. Much better open planned. There's the rubble that I forgot to take. I'm an idiot. There's more rubble over there, but that's we won't worry about that for now. That'll go when it goes. And the bedroom, we have obviously ripped the floor up, but we're going to ignore that for now, the bedroom. We're not going to focus on the bedroom. I want to focus on this space here, the kitchen, a little bit more, because I'm going to be honest, I'm confused about the kitchen. A lot of people are saying, make the kitchen bigger or make the bathroom bigger. So we haven't really focused on the bathroom much at all lately, ever. And you can see that it's a very small space, okay? It's a confined space. That's how small the bathroom is. But for someone like me who only showers once a week, it shouldn't be too bad. It's not the end of the world. That was a joke, by the way. I do shower more often than once a week. In fact, I shower every single day, believe it or not. Anyway, I don't mind having a small bathroom because we always went into this knowing the size of the bathroom, and the shower is still quite big, so I think it's comfortable enough. The toilet, you know, what you're going to do in the toilet? You're going to do your business and then get out. So it's not a place to congregate or socialise, is it? Obviously, there's not going to be much space around the sink, but it's usable. I can make do with that, you know. Obviously, we're going to renovate it, make it look lovely, but it is usable. Same goes with the kitchen. For 1 to 2 people, the size of that kitchen is adequate. And what I really like about this space is the size of the living room / dining room. This whole space is the biggest part of the apartment, and it's where I'm going to be spending most of my time when I'm here. Bedroom's a decent size. So yeah, living room, bedroom, they're big enough. Kitchen's big enough. Bathroom is the one sort of downside, but for me it's not even much of a downside because, you know, it's just an apartment and it's going to be perfect, absolutely perfect. I am going to do it up to a nice standard, of course. I'm going to try not to bodge anything, but I don't know if you've noticed, but I don't know what I'm doing. And I think that's not necessarily a bad thing because hopefully it shows that anyone can do it if I succeed, which I plan on doing. That pretty much wraps it up. I'm going to conclude this talk by conveying my happiness with regards to the wall that is no more. The amount of light that is now let into the kitchen is astonishing, and the difference it makes. The place feels bigger, area? Is that a word? You get my point. I'm really happy with how this whole project is progressing. We're still very much in the demolition phase of things, and we are essentially making it up as we go along because ideas are being thrown about, plans are changing. I'm listening to the comments, and yeah, there's just a lot to think about and a lot to do. You know, the work never stops. I know today's just been a little tidy up day, which is good to have. It's good to tidy up as you go along and not make too much mess. So I'm trying, okay? I'm trying. Bear with me. So that's it. You've watched today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned tomorrow where we're probably going to smash up more stuff. Hopefully make some interesting finds, you know, who knows? That's the beauty of it. We don't know what's going to happen. Even I don't know. Okay, well, that's it now. Bye-bye. Oh, I can't get up my knees. I'm not young anymore. I'm not young anymore. Whoa.